back with another Amazon review. This product today is called Siyaluens, something that I cannot pronounce. But it's basically a multi-head attachment curling wand device that I've never used before. It's funny, I actually let somebody borrow this and I hadn't used it yet. It worked out. I mean, it did work out for them. But yeah, this is called Siyaluens. I don't know. That's not gonna work. Anyway, I'll put the word right here somewhere. So this is the plug-in part. Comes with a glove. Comes with 4 head attachments. So it comes with this bubble thing. I don't know what these called. This crimper thing. Big wand and small wand. And I think today, because it's going to be a wand curl video, I think today I'm going to use the small one. Oh, and it also comes with this nice bag to put everything in. So I'm excited. I am about to wash my hair because this is filthy. I just had 2 braids in. And I just took down the braids. Ugh. Anyway, my hair is dirty. I'm going to be washing my hair, blow drying it, and like to stretch it out with my Revlon dryer brush, because I cannot remember what this is called. But yeah, my Revlon dryer brush that does a great job, and you'll see after I'm done how it stretches out my hair. So I will see you guys after I'm done. So this is my hair stretched out. And as you can see, my ends need a trimming. I was hoping I could avoid trimming my ends. This side in is bad for some reason. I don't know why. Which is going to add maybe another 30, 45 minutes to this process. So I'm gonna do that right quick. And if you want a video on me trimming my ends, I'm so sorry, that's not gonna happen right now. It's gonna have to happen when my ends need to trim again. Mind you, my ends haven't been trimmed, and I'm very embarrassed to say this, but my ends haven't been trimmed in, I wanna say, 2 years. But I didn't see the need to. Like, I also like my length, but I didn't see the need to. Now I can see it. So yeah. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay. I just want to show you guys the difference. Like, do you see the difference? Do you see how even it is now? I am noticing that I did not do a great job. Honestly, I just want to do this. And I'm going to do it. Does it need some shape? My hair used to have a lot of body and a lot of shape to it. And it doesn't have that anymore. Look at that, look at that, what that is. What's that? Do not cut your hair like this. I'm standing in front of a very big mirror. I can see what I'm doing, but my hair, like I could feel the difference. Yeah, that's better. Don't cut your hair like that, but do it as you see fit properly as to not damage your hair or cause gaps and patches of shorter versus longer hair. If you were following me on my old IG, because I just have a new one now, I have like very short pieces of hair, I think on this side somewhere and in the back somewhere, because I had faux locks in my hair, and now I have like this much hair from a lock that I cut. Like I cut off a strand like this long because that was a part of the lock and I didn't realize it. Do this part if you need to properly. Don't do what I do. This isn't a tutorial per se. It's just how I do my hair. Anyway, I'll be back when I'm done. Y'all, I find a piece of hair that I accidentally clipped when I had in my faux locks, which I am never doing again. But look, see? I got one little, this cowlick. I just mad about it right now because, baby, when I first did, baby, I was hot. But yeah, if you don't end up like this, don't clip your hands like how I was doing just now. Even though that's not how I got this. Just be careful. Whew. Okay, so ends are trimmed. That's big. Ends are trimmed and hair is dry. And now all I have to do is decide whether I want a middle part or a side part, which I think I'm gonna go with a side part. I don't know if this is gonna go over well. But don't go over well. I'm not a comedian. Let's see how this looks. Oh, y'all don't comb your hair with this. I don't know if I like that. Let me see. Maybe if I do it over some more. Maybe this can work. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the side part. It's very hot. I'm hoping I don't sweat this out before I am done because my hair is pretty known for doing that. So yeah, let's see how this works. I'm already tired. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm going to take this, plug it in. Well, actually, no, I'm not gonna plug that in yet. Put this, the smaller wand on top. There's you can't see that, and this thing will not focus on it, I don't think. Yeah, that's not gonna focus on it. But it has like these 4 prongs that you connect on the inside. And then right here, there is a lock and unlock mechanism. So it's unlocked now, and twist it to lock it. I'm hot. So now I'm gonna plug it in. And then there's a power button, plus and a minus to control the temperature. I'm gonna turn it on. You have to hold it down to turn it on. It's at 360 right now. My hair will not curl properly under 400 degrees. I know that about my hair for sure. So it's heating up, the numbers are going up, if you can see that. It heats up pretty quickly. So I'm gonna take it up to 440. I know that seems high, but again, I know my hair, and it's very unruly. It doesn't listen. So it's up to 440. You know, like when you have kids and you know what your kids are capable of. I'm comparing my hair to churn. Anyway, you know what I mean. And now I'm going to section off my hair so it doesn't get in the way. Because my hair is pretty fluffy and floofy right now. And I'm going to go down the middle, at the back, put it in a ponytail, take it out of the way. And then I'm gonna take my comb again and do the same thing on this side. Take it out of the way. That in a ponytail. Oh no, this is wet. I'm just gonna put it in this one. Boom. Oh, it also comes with these clips. Hair is everywhere. It comes with these clips. And I'm gonna use these to take them out of the way. Take the hair out of the way. Like such. So that's one clip. And then I'm going to section this in half. I'm not particular about sections when I'm curling I'm not particular about parting my hair when I'm doing anything with it really. And to protect my hair, I'm going to be using not a comedian, just a little bit. And I'm going to do a first curl and then I'm just going to fast forward through it after this. This is the only thing I'm using on my hair to protect it. Afterwards, I will spray it with my Frizzies Moisture Barrier Firm Hold Hairspray. Now, if this doesn't work properly, I'm just going to use my Got2b spray, but I was trying not to use the Got2b because it holds very well, but almost too well. So I'm going to use this first. Now, so I can put the glove on this hand. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, you point it down, well, this is how I do it. Point it downward, and you wrap the hair almost from the base. Oh, crap. It slipped. Okay. Attempt 1. Take 2. Crap. Attempt 3. 2. Take 2. I don't know. I should know this stuff. Ooh. Oh crap. I keep letting it go. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, hold on. Okay. And slide it out. This might be a fail video. I don't like it. Hold on. Okay, maybe. Anyway, when I'm halfway through, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. I'm scared. Okay. I may have overreacted, maybe a little, because girl. Okay, I gotta do that one over because I want a little bit more loose than I'd like. I like tight curls. Girl, I am loving this. So, what I'm going to do now is finish the other half. And then I'm going to get done up. And then I'm going to unravel my curls. Just a little bit for a body. But I'm excited. I'm just having flashbacks of that horrible time in my life where I cut my hair. I'm just finding patches of hair that I accidentally cut from them freaking faux locks. Oh, I ain't never doing that no more. Jesus. Look at it, man. Why? Why? I hope this comes out good. I just want to pause and try to recover from injuries. I didn't burn myself so much. It hurts. It hurts so bad. I have to practice with this. Woo! I'm gonna burn up my thumb. I'm clumsy to begin with. So, like, me and heat don't mix at all. Ever in my life have me and heat mixed well. We don't play well together. And I just burned the back of my neck, and I know I'm gonna be mad because it's gonna leave a scar. Burn marks on me stay forever. Like, see that? I think I got that when I was like 8. They don't go nowhere. So now I have another one. Great. I'm done. This was rough. I have war wounds. And it's no fault of the curling iron itself. I'm just very clumsy, and I have, gosh, like 2 burn marks on my hands. I got one on my neck. I'm a hot mess right now. But, as you can see, it's done. Give y'all a twirl. It's done. I laid my edges with the got to be glued spiking wax. I'm not sure if this is going to hold. I haven't used this a lot, and the last time I used it was a while ago, so I can't remember if it held my edges or not, but this is what I use to slick my edges down. I also use this because it has a softer texture. It's like a white, it smells good. It has like a white, creamy feel to it. So that's what I use to slick down my edges. So now what I'm going to do is unravel these curls just naturally how they want to unravel. And yeah, let's see how this works out. All right, I'm gonna fast forward now. This is not the look I was going for at all. I was actually going for a more wavy look. And because I'm stubborn and I like tighter curls, this is what I got. It's giving very much 90s 6th grade Inay who went to graduation with her candy curls, which is still cute. I mean, I don't think candy curls could ever go out of style because it's such a classic look. It's also very Shirley Temple. But I love it. So much body is involved in this style. I love this look. Now, let me take this off. You can see these edges, what they looking like. I mean, all right. It's very soft edges, very soft smoothing going on. But I like it. I'm not mad at it. I just need to learn how to use this thing carefully, because I curled my hair at 440. Use the glove, because I took it off at one point because I switched hands in terms of curling my hair. Like, I started off like this and I switched to this side and switched hands. So I don't recommend doing that without actually using the glove with the switch. But otherwise, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe if you do like it. You know, I'm not gonna tell you like a video you don't like. Follow me on all social media platforms. On Instagram, I am Nana_Albury242, and on Facebook at Nana Albury. Okay, so and follow me on TikTok at Nana for the Cause, and it's basically a platform that I use to promote small businesses and different GoFundMes for various causes. And let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. See you next time.